Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we are going to make apple salsa. Yes, it's great when you go apple picking. This is something you can do with all these apples. So we're going to get started. It's easy to make. It is a great healthy snack. Okay, so we are going to start off with either Empire, Fuji, Barburn apples. Not Red Delicious. That's not the right apple. The reason why we're taking these particular apples is because they're crisp. And we're not using Granny Smith because Granny Smith is tart. So these other apples that I've mentioned gives you the crispness that you want and have a little sweetness to it. So first, we need 2 cups of apples that are chopped. So, okay. Got my handy Cutco knife here, great for chopping. You should check out our video of how to use your knife properly. And also the 3 essential knives that you should have in your home. So I'm taking out the core of the apple, and I just discovered the other day this machine. It's a gadget. So I am going to chop the apples, and I've put a little bit of lime juice inside so that when the apples get chopped, they won't turn brown. So I guess it's supposed to work like this, and then I shake it around. So it's pretty cool, instead of me chopping it, and they all get chopped at the right size. I like it. Pretty cool. So again, I'm turning them so that I think 3 apples is going to give me about 2 cups of apples. And so for my bowl, I can just empty them. Look at how nicely chopped they are. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and chop the other apples. Okay? Let's not do it that way. So I like this. When I'm trying not to eat sugar or trying to eat well and healthy, this is perfect. Okay. I really like this gadget. It's made by OXO, O-X-O. For those of you in the States, I bought it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I really like it. Beautiful, nice. You can chop your tomatoes for making a salsa. It's pretty cool. So you just, cut off your ends, cut your apple in half, cut it in half again, and you slice down the middle. Okay. You want to make sure that you don't leave any of the core. Okay. I really like this. I'm loving it. Okay, move it around because remember, I have the, what do you call it? I have the lime juice to stop them from turning brown. So look at that, they look beautiful. Oh, I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it together. We need 1/3 cup of lime juice, but I did take a little bit of the lime juice freshly squeezed and put it in the little chopper. So it's 1/3 cup. We have quarter cup of red onion, okay? We have 1/2 cup of red pepper. Jalapeno, that's right. So we have about 1/4 cup of jalapeno. Please take out the seeds. Okay, there are no seeds in this. So it's gonna give a nice flavor. It's not gonna be too hot. And we have about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Okay. We need a little bit of black pepper. My black pepper is finished. That's why I'm using this brand. But we need about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And we need a little bit of salt. So we need about a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this a little bit. So the lime juice is really gonna give you, you know, when the lime juice settles, it's gonna be pretty cool. So you need 1 tablespoon of honey, but I don't like to put honey, so I'm gonna use some sugar. So I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I want it to be sweet. Guess what, guys? Apple salsa is complete. All right, we're gonna plate this and we're gonna taste it in a minute. Okay, it's time to taste, and I have the husband here to taste with me. And so, all right. Thank you. I have to taste as well.
Very good.
I'm still chewing because I went after you. So, what flavors do you taste?
I taste the jalapeno, the cilantro.
But it's not too hot, right?
No, it's a right amount of heat.
I love cilantro. So anyway, see my blog on Let's Talk Cilantro. We make a lot of dishes on Shelly's Cuisine with cilantro. So thank you, Twisters, for making apple salsa with us today. We look forward to you tuning in. We want you to subscribe and hit the notification button. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.